Boyfriend ni Glaiza De Castro na si David Rainey, enjoy na sa buhay probinsya. Welcome to the Daily Entertainment News PH. Sa rest house nga napili magpalipas ng ECQ ng pamilya ni Glaiza, kasama nga ang Irish BF nito na si David. Dahil nga bawal gumala, mas itunoon na lang ng dalawa ang panahon sa pagpapaganda ng rest house. Karamihan ay puro DIY ang improvement sa rest house nila sa Baler Aurora. Matiyaga si David at Glaiza sa pagpa-personalize ng mga gamit at parte ng rest house. Minsan pa nga ikinuwento ni Glaiza na mas parang lokal pa si David dahil ito ang kanilang tiga-pamalengke. Enjoy ito sa buhay probinsya at click na click sa mga residente doon. Kaya naman napaka-blooming ngayon ni Raisa. Happy and in love.
Stand out together and see what it's like.
You've done enough, we won't be shaken, 'cause you made us feel better.
You've opened all the doors, opened all the doors.
It's time to go. The world is waiting.
There is no danger that you can't face. There's something that can't be replaced.
Every laugh that was spoken will be all following your trace. It's what brought us all together, whatever it takes. You've done enough, we won't be shaken, 'cause you made us feel better.
You've opened all the doors, opened all the doors.
It's time to go. The world is waiting.
Thank you for watching the Daily Entertainment News PH, your daily dose of chika. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.